So we've just had a new bathroom put in. Also, we plastered and painted our bedroom. We learnt a few tricks of the trade along the way. So if you've got a DIY project coming up, here are 4 things to help you do it a little bit more sustainably. Paint. Around 55 million litres of the stuff gets thrown away every single year in the UK. But why? Well, most companies do not take back any paint you haven't used, even if the tin is unopened. It's utterly ridiculous, but it's true. So make sure that you do your paint maths. Use a calculator where possible. We're stuck with another 5 litre tonne of quite expensive paint, which we now need to try and resell. There's also lots of community projects that you can donate to as well. Second tip, borrow, don't buy. If you've got some friends and family locally who have got the things you need and they don't mind you using them, obviously you've got to look after them and bring them back. But we borrowed a ladder, we borrowed a sander, we borrowed a steamer, and it just means we've saved ourselves money, we've not gone and bought something new that we won't really use very often, and we've saved ourselves some storage. Ooh. Tip number 3 is buy pre-loved. We love a scaffolding board from Brighton Hove Wood Recycling. We've got them all over. In fact, it's a running theme throughout the flat now. Why buy new wood when you can get it already from a shop nearby? There's lots of stuff you can do when it comes to like cushions or tiles or furniture. Pre-loved is the one. Finally, who's going to clear your waste? 50% of landfill comes from construction and demolition. So choose a company who's going to be putting at least 90% of the stuff they collect into a new home. They'll either reclaim it or properly recycle it. That's it. 4 tips of how to do your DIY a little bit more sustainably. Calculate your paint, borrow, don't buy new where possible, buy pre-loved and use a responsible, that's 5, use a responsible company to clear your waste.